Okay, there's two ways that you need to submit your work to your teacher. You're going to take some photos with it using the Snipping Tool, and you're also going to send an email with the link to actually get in so they can look at it interactively. So the Snipping Tool is the easy one. We're going to start off with that. So Snipping Tool, when you open it, looks just like this. What we're going to do before we actually do that is to get the positions of this nice. So if you actually zoom in and get, so you're going to see as much of your picture as you can, and I want you to take some images in 2D and 3D. So this is the first floor in 2D. So if I hit on my Snipping Tool, I choose new, and I'm simply going to drag around my design. It creates an image for me. I'm going to save that image. I've got a folder on my desktop that I'm going to use to store them in, and I'm just going to call this one Mr. M first floor 2D. Okay, so it's really obvious what it is, and I'm going to save it into that folder. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to move my Snipping Tool out of the way. I'm going to come back to my drawing. This time I'm going to switch to 3D. Now in 3D I might decide I'm going to take more than one picture depending on how I want to actually see the different rooms. So the process is exactly the same. When you're happy that you've got it positioned right, you're going to choose a new snip. You're going to grab as much of the drawing as you can for your teacher, and you're going to give it a suitable name. So again, I'm going to save this one. This one's going to be Mr. M first floor 3D, and this is the first view of it. Now I might do more than that. You're going to probably do maybe 5 or 6 of these snips ready for your teacher. You might want to zoom in and show one room at a time. You might want to rotate it round. That's entirely up to you, so long as you get a good representation of what your image looks like. Okay, after you've done that, what you're going to do then is you're going to send the link. So you're going to come up to this one called share. You're going to choose share, and you click email. Okay, I'll say yes for now. Okay, now I've got a few options here. I can either grab this link to the design and just put that into an email, which is probably the easiest way. So I'm going to just do Control-C there, and I'm going to open up my email. Inside my emails, I'm going to create a new email. I'm just going to send mine to myself just to make sure it works. So there's me. The subject is Mr. M HomeStyler. Don't need to do anything else in there than that, and I need to paste that link in and press enter so it goes blue. Once I've filled that in, I can send my email off. That email is going to pop into your teacher's one. So if I open up this, there's the one. That's what it's going to look like from the teacher angle. They're going to see this. They're going to click on here, and it's going to open it up for them, and they can then go in, and this is what it's going to look like. You can send it to anyone. It doesn't have to be just a teacher. If you want your parents to have a look at it, and when they go into it, they can choose this explore button. So there it is popping in. Now my screen's on a reduced size because I'm video recording now, but basically they will be able to go in and I'll check out your design in 3D. I can zoom in on it. I can do everything that you can do, and I can see it nice and clearly for assessment purposes. So that's what I need you to do. You need to email that link to your teacher.